Here are the top Excel shortcuts for a Mac. To apply filter, Command-Shift-F, and Command-Shift-F to toggle it off. To extend the selection to the bottom of the dataset, use Command-Shift-Down. To open the Format Cells dialog box, use Command-1 or Control-1 is also going to work. To apply number formatting directly on the selected data, you can use Control-Shift-1. To apply currency formatting, Control-Shift-4. To toggle between absolute, mixed, and relative referencing inside a formula, use Command-T. And Command-T also inserts an Excel table. And Command-Shift-T enables AutoSum, or in this case, Table Total. To add a row, press Command+. To add a column, first select it with Control-Space and then Command+. With the column selected, Command- to delete it, and Command- to delete a row. Finally, Paste Special. First select a column, Command-C to copy, and now Command-Control-V to open Paste Special dialog box, V for values, and enter.